Guys, this is Shining Blue Mew. So starting for today, I'm gonna be collecting Dragon 6 Golden Master Set. That's my highest ones only, and my Mews, of course. Here's what some stuff I need from Dragon 6 Golden. Just check it out. I have opened 10 packs from that set. 7 from the pre-release. I pulled a shiny from the pre-release, and 3 other packs. I pulled the Rayquaza EX. I bought those, and I was not able to get hold of Dragon 6 Solid yet. I only got hold of it during the pre-release. Oh, in the pre-release I opened 9 packs, and I pulled a shiny and some some awesome hollows, and 3 other packs I bought EX. I haven't been to the shops for like weeks already, so I haven't checked if there is a stock of Dragon 6 Solid, but I'm pretty sure there should be. I need the both Rose Raids. I also need let's just look at the writings. I'm wasting my voice. A whole EX, I would happily trade it, but I cannot trade any EXs from Dragon 6 Golden, except if I have an extra. That would be awesome. I'll sell the extra. Some of these are hollows. Only from Dragon 6 Golden, don't give me other cards from other sets. I didn't indicate whether are they hollow or not because I just want to complete the set. La Momomola. Mew EX, one of my highest ones. If you guys have sent me a message to trade, I'm sorry if I haven't been replying. Just because I'm really not looking to trade. Those cards I don't really like. So if you have any of these cards that I've listed, that are in the paper and will be listed in the description, just PM me and I'll be replying to you. Because the other people, they're just not replying. Very sorry about that. And I'm quite busy because school has started already. Yep. So I'm not really available. Yeah, I got a day off today. I don't know what is that, but that's number 81. I forgot what card is that. I need the other Gibble. Really cool. I really like Dragon 6 Solid since they have the dragon types. And Garchomp is my favorite dragon type, and then Hydreigon is my second. Oh no, Rayquaza is my third. And I will be happily trading away for my ultra rares. That will be my priority right now, the ultra rares and Dragon 6 Solid. I believe this is a Rufflet and a Bravery over here, then a Devolution Spray, then Rescue Scarf, then the other Blend Energy, not the WLFM. This is the WLFM. Head over to our Ultra Rares page. I need a whole EXFA, a Mew EXFA, a Terracan EXFA, Registeel EXFA, Rayquaza EXFA, Dirtile EXFA, and the 3 shinies. Superior, Rinkulus, sorry if that's wrong. I was just lazy. Shiny Crocodile, then my Rayquaza, and then my Altar promos here. So that took up 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages of my monster binder. So yeah, the other remaining pages are for my miscellaneous collection. So yeah, really cool. So if you have some of my wants, please PM me, and I'll be happy to trade with you. I'm not guaranteed a reply at all, but yeah, I will reply to you. It's totally worth it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.